This is what I like on playing day. Funnel cakes.
Ice cream. Italian ice.
This golf cart. This golf cart.
My favorite part of McLean Day is the Rotary Club tent. You know why? Because I'm a Rotarian.
The best thing about today was all the food and the chicks and the riders, like my man.
We love all the there's a couple new rides today. The bumper ball that the kids had a lot of fun.
My favorite thing was today that I got to spend time with my family.